Drop it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how JOptionPane works for input and output. JOptionPane is a simple message box that appears on the screen and presents a message or a request for input to the user. JOptionPane can be equivalent to the system out print line or the scanner console input. To use JOptionPane, we must first import the package Java Swing, and then we're going to use the JOptionPane Java class. Let's demonstrate how we use JOptionPane. First, let's create a basic print line command. So to do that, I already opened our NetBeans here. Let's create our public static void main. And then, if we like to print out something, we just type here system out print line and then hello world. This is how we regularly print using the console. So if we run the program, right click run, what happens is we will see the output here. Okay, let's wait for a while, it's building. So this is the output using, output is with the console. Now let's create our own Java JOptionPane. First thing is we need to import our component. So that is import javax.swing, and then we're going to have here JOptionPane. Okay, so that's the component that we'd like to import. Next is we'll remove this line here. Now let's use JOptionPane to show a dialog box. To do that, we just need to type here JOptionPane. Okay, press that. So we're going to see several options here. Just type here show message dialog and then select the first one here. Okay, now you'll be presented with several arguments or parameters. The first one is the parent window, and then the second argument or parameter is the message to display. Since we don't have a parent window here, we could replace the parent component with a keyword null. Then on the arguments or parameters, we type here our message. So earlier we typed hello world in the console. Now we're going to type here hello world. So this is our JOptionPane. All our inputs before is in the console output. Now this time, let's look at our input. Run. Let's wait for a while, it's compiling. Now if you look at here, we have our Java running. So let's wait for it to load. This is now your JOptionPane output. So we have now a window, and then we have the Java icon here. Later we'll change the icon. We have our text hello world, and we have a command button. So if the user press here OK, it exits the program. So this is our first program using JOptionPane. I'll see you in the next one for more example. Thank you. Bye.